What if I told you that Google just quietly dropped a model that you can run completely for free on your own computer with nitrogen monoxide internet, nitrogen monoxide subscription, nitrogen monoxide limits, no monthly fees, no API cost, no data being sent anywhere. And the crazy part, it's actually good. This is Gemma 4, Google's brand new open source model, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download it, install it, and run it on your PC in under 10 minutes, completely offline. Stay with me because I'm also going to test this thing live on 3 different tasks, and the results actually surprise me. Okay, so first, what actually is Gemma 4 and why should you care? Google just released Gemma 4 and it is built on the same core technology that powers their most advanced Gemini models. Think of it as a lighter, faster, downloadable version of Google's best AI that you can own and run yourself. Now here's where it gets interesting. On several key benchmarks, Gemma 4 is actually competitive with models like GPT-4o and Claude. We're talking about reasoning, coding, image understanding, all running locally on your machine. And the size? You've got options. There's a 2 billion parameter version, a 7 billion, a 12 billion, all the way up to 27 billion parameters. So whether you have a budget laptop or a powerful gaming rig, there's a version of Gemma 4 for you. The part that really matters, the license. Gemma 4 is released under the Apache 2.0 license. That means it is fully open, fully commercial. You can use it in your projects, your apps, your business. Free. No credits, no royalties, no permissions needed. That is a big deal. Most powerful AI models either cost money to access or come with strict restrictions. Gemma 4 has neither. Full freedom. Alright, enough talking. Let me show you how to actually get this running. Now pay attention here because this is the part most people mess up. I'm going to walk you through this step by step and save you a lot of frustration. The tool we need to run Gemma 4 locally is called Ollama. Think of it as the engine that powers local AI models on your computer. It's free, it's lightweight, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Open your browser and go to ollama.com. I'll drop the direct link in the description so you don't have to type it. Click the download button for your operating system. For this video we're doing Windows. The file is about 1.8 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Once it's downloaded, installation is super simple. Just open the file. Click Next. Next. Install. That's literally it. Ollama installs quietly in the background. No complicated setup, no configurations needed yet. Now pay close attention here, because this method works for everyone. No powerful PC required, no big downloads, nothing to install, just a browser and a free Google account. Open your browser and go to istudio.google.com. I'll drop the direct link in the description below. Sign in with your Google account. That's it, you're already in. Now once you're inside, look at the top left here. You'll see a model selector drop down. Click on it and scroll down until you see Gemma 4. Select it. And just like that, you now have access to Google's brand new Gemma 4 model. Running in your browser. Completely free. Now here's something most people don't know. You can also use it with grounding with Google Search enabled. That means Gemma 4 can search the web in real time and give you up-to-date answers. That's a feature even some paid tools don't have. Just toggle that on here and your model is now connected to live web data. Powerful stuff. Now, if you want to go one step further and run Gemma 4 completely offline on your own machine, here's how to do that. The tool you need is called Ollama. Go to ollama.com and download it for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. The installer is about 1.8 gigabytes and setup takes about 2 minutes. Just click Next. Next. Install. Done. Once Ollama is installed, open your CMD or terminal and type this command. I recommend starting with the to-be version. It's only about 1.5 gigabytes and it runs smoothly even on basic laptops. If you have a stronger PC with 16 gigabytes of RAM or more, you can go bigger. One important tip, type it exactly as you see here, no space between Gemma and the colon. Add a space it won't honestly? For most people watching this, Google AI Studio is all you need. It's faster, easier, and you get access to the full power model for free. So let's jump into the tests. Okay, we're in. Gemma is loaded and ready. Now for the fun part. Let's actually test this thing. I've got 3 challenges lined up and one of them genuinely surprised me. Let's go. For our first test, I want to see how well Gemma handles complex, multi-part reasoning, so I'm giving it this prompt. Create a 3-day high-protein vegetarian meal plan for someone with no time to cook. Keep it practical and affordable. This is not a simple question. It requires nutritional knowledge, budgeting awareness, meal timing, and practical cooking constraints all at once. Let's hit send and see what happens. Look at that, almost instant response. And look at the output. It's given me a full structured 3-day plan, broken down by breakfast, lunch and dinner, with actual ingredients, protein counts, and prep times. This is the kind of output you'd pay for on Chat Plus, on Gemma 4, completely free. First test, passed. Alright, test 2. This one is about emotional intelligence. Can Gemma write something that actually sounds human, not robotic? This requires the model to understand tone, context, legal sensitivity, and persuasion, all at once. Let's see it. 6 seconds, and look at this email. It's opening with empathy, acknowledging the relationship, making the case clearly, and closing with a reasonable ask. It even stayed under 150 words. Honestly, if I received this email, I'd take it seriously. That's the bar, and Gemma cleared it easily. Test 2, pass with flying colors. Test 3. This one will blow your mind. Okay, this last test. This is the one that actually surprised me, because most people don't know that Gemma has vision capabilities built in. Meaning you can upload an image and it will analyze it for you, right here in Google AI Studio. I'm uploading this BIOS settings screenshot here. Now this is actually a tricky image. It's from an MSM motherboard, it's in German, and it has technical terminology all over it. I just want to see if Gemma can tell me what's in it. Let's hit submit. Look at that, near instant, and look at what it returned. It correctly identified this as BIOS settings. It detected that the interface is in German. It described the advanced mode options on screen. And it even interpreted what some of the settings actually do, for free, in a browser, with 0 setup. I genuinely didn't expect it to handle the German language context that well. Test 3. Passed. Honestly impressed. Bonus. More things you can do with now before I wrap up. Here are a few more things you can do with Gemma that I didn't show in this video. You can ask it to write code, debug programs, translate documents, summarize long texts, all offline, all free, all private. No one is reading your prompts. No data is leaving your computer. That alone is worth the setup time for a lot of people.